Fintech Fraudster by Matthew Russell Lee. Hi, fake it till you make it. Jamie's blind spot. Puffery to promote a business is long-standing tradition. But the current era of technology brings a new spin to it. Elizabeth Holmes and her two magical blood testing machine, Trevor Milton and his ostensibly hydrogen truck being pushed downhill, Do Kwon and his not-so-stable coin crashing and burning. Retail victims worldwide continue to write into the court and to inner-city press which reports on it. Charlie Javice, though, as indicted, had a single victim, JP Chase, all the way to the top, Jamie Dimon. He ordered that the deal be done before the email address had even been tested. Once they were, the fraud became clear. Only 28% were delivered, just over 1% of them were opened. What might have been a business dispute, a civil case, was turned into a criminal prosecution. And perhaps surprisingly, Javice refused to plead out, perhaps with an eye on how a jury, when it came to that, would view this mega bank victim. Inner City Press has been covering the case from the day Javice was brought into court and released on $2 million bond into 2025, when the trial was pushed back due to prosecutorial negligence, if not misconduct. This is that story. 2. April 4, 2023, Southern District of New York. Donald Trump was making his first appearance in his New York State criminal trial that would result in 34 felony convictions for business records crimes when, a block away in SDNY, Charlie Javice was presented on bank, wire, and securities fraud charges. The criminal complaint against her was 23 pages long, but the presentment was short. The prosecutors had already agreed to $2 million bond secured by her Miami condo. Javice had hired the Quinn Emanuel law firm to represent her. In the SDNY courtroom, Marin Shah of that firm made a point of saying, "My partner Alex Spiro couldn't be here today, but will be appearing in this case as well." As trial approached, he would be long gone, with Roland Sullivan taking the lead along with Miami-based Jose A. Baez. Javice was bonded out to live in Miami Beach with location monitoring. Whether or not an ankle bracelet would be required was left up to pretrial services. Javice was to have no contact outside the presence of counsel